yung kakatayin natin for today. Not move. So guys, lami kay native native chicken. So ayaw mo pangitagdag ko kay unsa day Bisaya ninyo. Ikaw joke. Ay! Kabuhi. Huwag niyo akong itihan. Lisod man uy. So guys, ito yung tatlong manok na kakatayin natin. So humana tag-ihog baboy gahapon perting dakua, so manok na sadta karong adlaw. So let's go. We'll sharpen the knife first. Are you ready to get slaughtered, Bami? Do you want to beg for your life? Oh, don't beg, because I will still kill you. I will still slaughter you. So this is the knife that I'm going to use to cut your neck. I have to wash, so I need to remove my stockings. So guys, look at me. Oh, lots of blood. So I have to wash. So I look so bloody. So I look so bloody. So look at my feet. So guys, naluto na akong tinola, no? Tinibuok yun siya, oh. Tanawan niya, lami kaayo. Grateful kay kuan akong mga followers, no? Grabe sad ka generoso, mga onta ninyo. So ito na yung manok na kinatay ko, lami kaayo. So grabe, sabaw pa lang ulam na. So mga on dito to ninyo oy. So, kain tayo. Higop tag sabaw.